Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by collecting the identifiers that let the system find your machine: asset tag, serial number, or visible device name. Log into the school inventory or device management portal right away. This is where the database and location logs live. Once logged in, search by asset tag or your username to pull the record. Make a quick note of the MAC address, last seen time, and any assigned room. These will guide the next actions and tell you why the device shows where it does. Once you have identifiers, use network and management tools to trace the machine. Query the DHCP or Wi-Fi logs for the MAC to see the last access point and timestamp. That tells you where it connected. Next, search your MDM or Active Directory for the hostname and IP. These tools give current status and remote actions. If allowed, ping the IP or attempt name resolution from a campus terminal. Successful responses confirm the device is online and narrow physical location to a building or floor. When you confirm the device location, coordinate retrieval. Notify IT, contact the room owner, and arrange a secure pickup while logging the transfer. If the machine is offline or unreachable, submit a detailed IT ticket including asset tag, MAC, last seen data, and building info so admins can follow DHCP logs or check cameras. Make sure to secure accounts by changing passwords and revoking sessions if recovery fails. The key troubleshooting tip is to verify power and network status at the last seen access point.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.